Claim, is PM Narendra Modi welcomed in China with a drone show? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A post on X by user Kriksamraj shared an image purporting to show a drone light show in China welcoming Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Posted on 30th August 2025, the post read, "A grand gesture of friendship. China lights up the sky to welcome PM Modi." View the post here. A grand gesture of friendship. China lights up the sky to welcome PM Modi. #India-China #diplomacy #Modi. Another verified X user, Sony8, posted the same image on 30th August 2025 in a reply to Mr. Sinha_, gaining around 12,000 views. The post read, "What a welcome the Chinese gave to Modi ji with lighting." View the post here. Fact check. Truth, the claim is completely false and the image belongs to a drone show in China's Chongqing municipality which was digitally manipulated. Fact check details. Digit Eye India decided to investigate this claim and discovered that it is completely false. The image is fabricated and the drone shown in the image was taken from another event. The original image originates from a drone light show in Chongqing's Nanan district which is titled Charming Chongqing. We first conducted a reverse image search to learn about the origins and landed on a report by Xinhua News Agency. The report, which was published on 20th April 2025, showcases a drone performance in Chongqing's Nanan district to promote tourism. View the original image which was published in the article. The above report by Xinhua News Agency clearly states how a drone light show is pictured in Nanan district of southwest China's Chongqing municipality, 19th April 2025. The 15-minute drone light show, which features iconic city landmarks of Chongqing, made its debut on Saturday, presenting a visual feast along with a city lighting display. View a snippet from the report here. We also checked the image via a fake image detector tool which affirmed that the image is modified computer generated. View the results here. No SEO, mere press releases or any credible news media outlet referenced such an event. Instead, PM Modi received a warm reception from the Indian diaspora and a red carpet welcome which has been reported by the media houses like the TOI and Patrika News. Thus, the claim is completely false. Analysis of the image reveals it is digitally manipulated and the drone show image is a hoax derived from an unrelated April event in Chongqing. Claim, images show that a drone show was held to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi in China during the SCO Summit 2025. Conclusion, the claim is completely false and the image belongs to a drone show in China's Chongqing municipality which was digitally manipulated. Rating, completely false. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiteye.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit Eye India.